Hello friends, welcome to Technical and Programming AK. In this video, I will show patient management system project in VB.NET with source code. So first of all, open this project file, and this project open in Visual Studio 2015. Okay, you download this project. Link is given in description below. You can download it. Okay. So this project is open. This is the form 1 design. This is the main form of our project. Admin section, CHO section. Then open the second form, CHO. Okay, this is the CHO form design. Okay, so I drag it. This is the CHO design, and this is the data grid view. Here the data grid view. This is the search section of our project. This is the new consultation section, patient section, patient history section, and report section. This is the CHO section. The third part is the admin section. This is the admin section. Okay, this is the data grid view. There are 3 data grid view here, and then there are many buttons here. Okay, this is the admin section design. Then this is the 4th page of design. Okay, or 5th design is the get code. This is the loader for get code. Form history form. This is the history form. This is the data grid view design, and this is the patient history form. This is the patient history form. Load patient. Okay, and this is the search for searching the new patient or old patient. This is the form load. This is design, basic design, message page design, patient basic info design. This is the patient basic info design. Add a new patient or send file to patient. This is the form design for creating a new patient history. This is the form for register a new patient, create an ID of patient. This is the form reply. And this is the user section, account name, username, password. Create a new user for this project, maintaining this project. This is the main form of user add user, edit user, print code, and search the user. And this is the main form of our project. This is the login form, username, password, show password, or login. Okay, all the reports are in the form report section. Okay, so their crystal report is here in this project. Crystal report is added. Okay, so first of all, I will run this project file, then show the project. So project build is successfully. So admin login. So login is successful. So this is the admin section. Click on CHO office. Welcome to CHO office. there are some many issues in backend of this project. That's why it gives the new notification of unable to the connect to any the specified MySQL hosts. Okay, so opening the CHO form here, CHO form, new consultation, patient history, reports. Okay, so new consultation, patient. Okay, this is the patient information section. Add a new patient, clear information of that patient. Okay, same file, diagnose patient. I exit the form. Patient history, this is the patient history button. This is the report section of CHO. So I exit the CHO section and click on manage users. This is the manage user section. Then click on add user. This is the form of adding a new user in our project, means in our application. Create a new user, edit the user account and print code, and this search section for searching the user. So exit this. I will sign out this project. So executing some errors. So this is our patient management system project in Vue.net. You download it, use it. This source code given in you. If you download the source code, download it. Link is given in description below, and use it. Okay, so I hope you like it. If you new on my channel technical and programming AK, then subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for new updates. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye friends, thank you so much.